Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. Just a quick video here today on how to clean the stainless steel baffles in your range hood. This specific model is a Whispair, but they're all pretty much the same and it'll just take you 1 minute. Alright, so to get these filters out, it's simply a matter of giving it a push up on the front side and then lifting it up out of the C channel out of the back and taking it out like that. So we then move on to the middle one, give it a push up, and same thing. And finally onto the last one. And you can see this one doesn't want to quite lift up quite as much, so I'll just slide it across into the middle section. There's obviously something blocking just on that side, and we can get it out like that. Now, when you go to lift them up, if they feel like they're not going up, just give it a little bit more force there, because it's probably just stuck from a little bit of grease. So as I said, this really is a 1 minute job. So I'm just now going to pop these straight in the dishwasher. We'll let the dishwasher do its job, and then we will pop them back in the range hood after they're cleaned from the dishwasher. So I lied, there is just one thing extra I'm going to do whilst the dishwasher's cleaning those filters, and that is I'm just going to clean the track at the back. I've got a cloth here with some warm soapy water on it. I'm just going to clean that track where there's a little bit of collection of grease. Alright, so the dishwasher's done its job there, and as you can see we've got 3 sparkling clean Baffle filters there. So much so that you can actually see your fingerprints in them. But let's get those back into the range hood. So it really just is the reverse procedure that we took them out. So I'm going to start roughly just a bit offset from the right hand side, poke it up, put the back edge in the channel, then I'm going to slide this one along because it had that slight ledge, and there we go. And then I'm going to put the middle one in, same thing, up at the front, slide it into the back channel and let it drop down. And finally, I'm going to place the last one in. So there you go, folks. That's how to clean your Baffle filtered range hood. Less than 1 minute of your time and a bit of use of the dishwasher. And really simple and easy. If you have liked this video, do feel free to like, share and subscribe. Until next time, have a good evening.